Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the real nitty-gritty of beauty products that actually work. If you're tired of that buildup in your hair that no regular shampoo seems to handle, stick around. This one's for you. Today we're talking about the REUZEL Scrub Shampoo, a deep cleanser designed to lift away all that product residue, oils, and environmental buildup. If you've been struggling with dry, weighed-down hair, you're going to want to hear about this one. Before we get started, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to Beautyistic and hit that bell icon so you never miss an honest, expert review like this. REUZEL is known for its professional-grade grooming products, and this scrub shampoo is no exception. This 11.83 ounce pack of 2 bottle promises to cleanse deeply, targeting dry hair that's in desperate need of a fresh start. Infused with a rosemary scent, it's vegan and cruelty-free, so it checks those ethical boxes too. The shampoo is formulated to gently scrub your scalp while also providing hydration, thanks to its soothing ingredients. When I first tried this shampoo, I wasn't sure what to expect, as I'm used to some deep cleansers being too harsh. But right from the start, I noticed a difference. The texture of the shampoo is a little more granular than your average shampoo, which is expected given that it's designed to scrub and exfoliate your scalp. The rosemary scent is refreshing without being overpowering. It's a nice, clean aroma that feels like a mini spa experience every time you use it. In terms of performance, I used this shampoo on my dry hair for about 2 weeks. The scrub shampoo did exactly what it promised, deeply cleansed. After one wash, I immediately noticed that my hair felt much lighter, as if all the buildup had been lifted away. My scalp felt fresh, and my strands had a bit more bounce. It wasn't stripped dry though, which is a huge bonus. This product is specifically designed for dry hair, so it balances hydration with cleansing, which is not an easy feat. Let's talk about the pros and cons of REUZEL Scrub Shampoo. On the plus side, the formula works exactly as advertised. It cleans deeply without leaving your hair feeling parched or overly stripped, which is key when you have dry hair. The rosemary scent is uplifting, and it's gentle enough for regular use, even though it's marketed as a deep cleanser. The packaging is straightforward, which is great because there's no extra fluff here, just a solid, no-nonsense product. On the downside, if you have extremely sensitive skin, the scrubby texture may feel a little rough initially. It's not a harsh scrub, but those with very sensitive scalps might want to test it out first. The price point might be a little higher for some, but considering the quality of the product, I think it's worth it for those who struggle with product buildup. Now, let's talk value for money. REUZEL Scrub Shampoo is priced in the mid-range for professional hair care, but given its effectiveness in deeply cleansing without drying out your scalp or hair, I'd say it offers good value. The pack of 2 bottles will last you quite a while, making it a solid investment for anyone who needs an occasional deep cleanse. If you're considering alternatives, you could check out the OI Detox Shampoo or the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special Shampoo. Both are also known for providing a deep clean without being too harsh, but they might not have the same scrubby texture that REUZEL offers. As for the build quality, the shampoo is packaged in sturdy, easy-to-use bottles. The cap is secure, and there's no wasteful packaging. Just a practical, professional approach. Mid-review. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, I haven't needed to contact customer support directly, but REUZEL has a great reputation for being responsive to customer inquiries, which is always reassuring when purchasing professional-grade products. To sum it up, the REUZEL Scrub Shampoo is an excellent choice if you've been struggling with hair buildup and dryness. It does its job without compromising hydration, and the rosemary scent is a nice touch. If you're looking for a deep cleaning shampoo that still keeps your hair in good shape, this could be your new go-to. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the link in the description box to grab your own bottle. If you've tried this shampoo, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.